Howdy freeze dryers, did you know that there are hundreds of thousands of home use freeze dryers? Chances are there are lots of you out there freeze drying that are still getting hung up on some of those inefficiencies of the freeze drying process. We developed these tray dividers. These are so important for streamlining freeze drying. The dividers help you make equal sized food portions. It makes packaging really nice. It keeps your food organized. It also keeps serving sizes equal. They are super durable. The dividers are available in all sizes, and I feel like they are the best option, best quality, best usability, and they are unmatched in the freeze drying community. And if you're on freezedryingsupplies.com, make sure you go into the chat, say hello. It's either me or my wife talking directly to you. We are the only customer service, so make sure you say hi, make sure you drop us a line. We are also super excited for the future. We have a lot of new freeze drying products coming out. If you want to stay in the loop and stay informed, make sure you join our email list. Hey, you! Are you unlocking your full potential as a freeze dryer? You're missing out on pro freeze drying tips and freeze dryer giveaways, valuable food storage recipes, and most important, unlocking your inner freeze drying guru. Click the first link in the description to get signed up.